Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to add bio on Facebook Lite account. At first, open the Facebook Lite app on your mobile device. Now, to go to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and tap on your profile name at the top of the page. Here on this page, you can see your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. On this page, you can add profile picture, your cover photo, and create an avatar. Now to add bio to your profile, scroll down, tap on the small add text. Here in the text box, enter your bio. Then tap on save at the bottom of the page. And that's it, your bio is now on Facebook Lite account. You can go back to your profile to check your bio. You can see your bio underneath your name. And that's all for today. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.